Hello guys, I welcome you back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use light effects on your design if you use coreldraw or any Photoshop. Okay guys, so how can you start about it is to first look for the better light effect, light like this, and then what we are going to do is to just type search for light effects on Google. Okay, so search for light effects there. You can write light effect, so immediately you can see it here. Now I've been using it. Let me just put this, and then you can now see that this is a various light effects that you can use. First thing to do is to go to image so that you can see better of it. So guys, what do you see here now is light effects. So it now based on the design you want to design before you can use it. Okay guys, so I'm going to download some and then I'll practicalize it for you so that you can use it on your design, okay, in coreldraw guys. So you can see that all these are the light effects. So you can see many here. We have many. So all this, the color, everything based on the design you want to use, so you can apply the color of the light effect anyone. Okay, so right now the light effect has been downloaded. Okay guys, so the next thing is to go back to my coreldraw and start applying it guys. So that is exactly what we are going to do right now guys. So let me just go back coreldraw now. So I will load it. So I'm using coreldraw 2022. So this is it right now guys. So let me just use this, my last design here, although this is not completed, but let me just use this. So guys, as you can see it here right now, so this design if I want to apply the light effect right now, I'm going to do so. Let me just try to complete some here. So I will just add this to it. Okay, so if I just add this one to this place, so that it can be some So guys, now how to apply the light effect is to go back to your this. Okay, let's use this one first. Let me apply this. So I want to apply this now. You take it to your workplace here. Do you see it right now? So you can zoom it out like this. So to apply this one now, you go to the transparent. You can see transparency here. So you click on your transparent, so it's updated. Now that it's updated, you come down to this number. Do you see this number? So you look for the screen. You can see screen there. So immediately you press screen, it will come up like this. So you can take it from this place. Okay, you can take it. Just go back to your pick tool and come down here and pick it. Do you see that now? So you can apply it to any area you wish. For instance, now you can see this place now as it pop up here. Okay, so let me just put it on this reminder dates. Okay, you can play away with it. So just to tell you how to use light effect, so that you can see a light effect, you can use it, place it there, so that it can make the design well. Okay, and so guys, this is how you can use the light effect, guys. So if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.